Here we go, 4th graders. I'm going to teach you how to add something to Seesaw, and then I want you to try that out. And you can use something that you completed recently, like your circuit assignment with the rubric, or you could add, actually that would probably be the easiest thing to add because that's something that has been graded and finalized. So, here's what you can do. On Seesaw, you should see this button here when you log in. So you click this, post a student journal. Then you have an option for photos, videos, drawings, link, note, or add file. If you go to add file, then you go select from Google Drive, and you're going to be able to sign in. Click allow. And then you'll be able to search and add whatever it is that you want to add on there. And that is how you use Seesaw to add a file, and then you would click select, and then just follow the steps.